Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to wrap words around your pictures in Microsoft Word. So I have here a Microsoft Word document. I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see this. And I just have some random text that I want to paste in here. Okay, so I put some random text. And so this is just, for example, an essay that you might have. And then you want to insert a picture from somewhere. So you would say insert picture. Let's just choose this picture, something on your computer. Here's a motorcycle. This picture is too big, so I want to make it a little bit smaller. So I make it smaller, about the size. And I want to put this picture, you see over here it has a little icon and it says layout options. So if you click on that, and you want to choose something that wraps it around, so like one of these, like this one, square or tight, something like that. So you choose one of those, and then I want to put this picture up on the next paragraph. So I'm going to actually cut it, and let's just paste it right here, right there in front of the second paragraph. Okay, so I paste, and there it is. Now if I just move it around, you see how the text wraps around this? I can put it anywhere I want to. Okay, so that's how you would do that. Okay, hopefully you have a similar version of Word, but it's very easy to do. Okay, and if you want to put a caption, you can click on this. Hopefully, let's see here. Does it put captions? Good question. Let me pause. And so the captions, actually, if you right-click on the picture and it says here insert caption, I can put in here a caption of anything. This would be, let me just put here, my motorcycle. Let's spell it right. And you can also put the web address or something like that, web address here. So say where you got it from. And I think that's it. So you just say OK, and there it is. There's the caption for your picture, right under the picture. If I move the picture now, the caption, it didn't go with it, did it? Well, in any case, you would redo the caption if you have to move your picture. Okay? There you go.